Hey everybody, thanks for checking out my channel today. My name is 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐷𝐿. I'm a high ticket affiliate marketer. If you guys are just getting to my channel the first time and you haven't been here before, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video or you get anything out of it, just go ahead and give it a like for me, okay? Because I really appreciate that. It helps me grow and get my videos out to a little bit more wider of an audience, right? So first off, before I jump into what we're going to be talking about today, I'll give you a little hint, but it's going to be how I'm earning the most money as an affiliate marketer. Even as a beginner, people that are following what I'm using are they're just making outrageous amounts of money. So it's quite an impressive thing that I've set up, and I actually train people like this. I have another YouTube channel where I have set up some trainings on this, but I want to go through it real quick and just show you what I'm earning with these platforms. And this is just the past 7 months, okay? So the first one that we're going to talk about is this one right here. You can see right up here, this is actually from the last year, which is just from January. It doesn't have a doesn't allow me to go back any further unless I type it in up here, and I can't remember the date exactly, but it was about 7 months ago. So if I just click on the year right here, you can see that it says since January I've made 118,000, but right up here you can see where it says 232,000. So that's about the last 7 months is what I've earned with this platform. This platform right here is about 7 months. 7 to 8 months, and I've earned just over 102,000. You can see my name right here. I can just refresh it for you guys too, so you guys know that it's my dashboard. That's my dashboard right here, 𝐤𝐸𝐬𝐷𝐿 right here. Let's move on to the next one. This is TA. This is a traffic program, but these are all kind of tied together. I just want to show you that I know what I'm talking about. That's what I'm trying to get at right here. I just want you guys to see that I'm not, pulling your leg or anything. Let me just refresh this. Did it refresh? Yeah, so I'll click back and forth here so you can see there's that. Let's go to the payments. Payments are what I've been paid. This is the same thing, 120,000. And then the last thing I want to show you is this platform right here, because this platform actually ties everything together. Now this one's the lowest one that I've made anything with, and it's 68,000. That's still a really good amount of money for an affiliate, right? So you put all those together, plus those are just the basics that I'm using. Those are the main 4 platforms that I'm using, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm using these, okay? So this platform right here ties everything together. That's what this platform is. It's called the multiple income funnel. It's a multiple faceted income stream generator, right? It helps you build build multiple income streams, okay? If we just go to step 2 right here, you can see the other platforms that I was walking you through. Each one of them are in here, right? These are the 4 platforms that I was just showing what I earned with. And they're all linked to one. So if you know anything about affiliate marketing, we run funnels, right? And generally you're creating these funnels yourself, and you're doing a bunch of marketing and all this kind of stuff, email marketing and everything like that. The cool thing about this program is it has a funnel they're preloaded funnels. They're already made. You don't have to spend any time creating them. Literally, you can plug and play with this. You can jump into it, get into each program. Now, this is a plug and play process. So if you don't know much about affiliate marketing programs, each one of these businesses, because each one is a separate business, each one offers its own unique marketing tool, its own unique product, right? So that's what on the back, like what we do as affiliate marketers is basically just sell a product. Let me show you an example here. Say this is a little camera, okay, a little camera that I bought. Say the owner of this camera, the company that made this camera, wants to sell this camera, but maybe they don't have a big ads budget. They can't start running Facebook ads. They just don't have the budget for it. So what they do is they ask an affiliate marketer to sell this product and split the profit with them. That's the exact same thing that we're doing here. If you've ever gone to a movie on a weekend, gone to a movie, and then the next day you go see a friend of yours and you say, "Hey, I went and watched this movie last night. It was awesome." And then your friend goes and sees it. Well, you just basically did affiliate marketing. It's the exact same thing. We're just doing marketing for another company. So each one of these is based on their own company. But the cool thing about this program is it brings them all together. So now we've created something that creates multiple streams of income all at one time. It starts generating income for each business consecutively. So you're building income. Really, there's a couple more things added onto this that I've added on and I show the people in my training. I actually have another YouTube channel. Let me just go and show you what I'm talking about here. If we go to my other channel, right here, I'm just gonna pause that. So you can see I have quite a few people following me on this channel. There's over 22,000 people. And these platforms that I have up right here are training platforms. Basically, they're free trainings for anybody to use, for affiliate marketers to use, or somebody learning how to be an affiliate marketer. Anybody can use them. That's the point. And you can see they've been used quite a bit. You guys can actually jump into these videos, jump in, scroll down, and check the comments. Just go look at them yourself and you'll see that just hundreds of people use this training and they're really doing really well. I also have a link to my Facebook group that they can go and join my group so that everyone can kind of work together and talk. So I do a lot of work for free. I don't charge people for this, right? That's kind of a benefit that people have seen about using my platforms. But before we get into that, I just wanted to show you that starting out as a beginner, I have people coming in here in their first month earning between $5,000 to $12,000, sometimes even more, because of the way that I show people how to set this up. And I use those trainings that I showed you on my YouTube channel, my other channel. I use these exact trainings to set this up. But it all starts with this platform right here. Now, let's talk about price, right? Because it is plug and play. With this type of affiliate marketing, you have to own the product before you can sell it. Okay, so what we do is we buy into the product. Now we can resell it. And the first product is this. This is the very first one, the multiple income funnel, right? MIF is what we call it. And I'll leave a link to this in my video description. Let me just show you what a video description is too. If you click on one of my videos, it'll be the video that you're watching, and you just scroll down underneath and click this button. That'll open up a video description. I'll leave a link for you guys to join that, as well as a link to the training for it, okay? So that you guys can easily jump into there. I'll also leave a Facebook group link down here so you can go join my Facebook group if you guys have any questions. But what I want you guys to do, if you feel like joining in this, I'm going to lay out the cost for you, because this is the big thing. You have to be prepared for this. So the initial funnel itself, you can make money off of just it if you want to, but I would advise to use all of them at once if you're going to be doing this. That's what I do. That's how I know how to run it. The first one is going to be $350 for the year. You can sign up for $49. I wouldn't even bother. I would pay the $350 for the year. The next income stream 2, the max that they have plans that go all the way up to, I don't know, $4,900 or something like that, or maybe even a little bit more now. But I don't use those. I'm going to show you the ones that I use. Yeah, they have them up here. You can get up to $7,500. I don't use those. I use this one right here, because this one right here is a done-for-you website system. Basically, they'll build you out an entire website, and that's $2,500. Okay, so let's think about this for a minute. Let me just pull up a calculator. I can tell you what the rest are without jumping over to them. Oh, sorry, grabbed the wrong thing. Oh, so we're at $350. Plus 2,500. The next one, which is income stream 3, which is the one that I've made the most amount of money on. If you remember, that's this one right here. I've made just over $222,000 in a shorter time than the rest, by the way, because the way that I started. But this to get all the way in with it, you're looking at $525. So let's do 525. Now, that's $33.75, okay? Not a big deal to most people, right? It's okay. But this last income stream, the one that I just showed you, that I made $120,000 with, this is kind of like the engine to this business, because what this does is it does all of the marketing for you, and you can also earn commissions on it once you buy into it. So there's multiple, there's multiple things you can use this to. But let's just say that you want to go with a $2,000 plan, traffic plan. The more traffic that you use as an affiliate marketer, the better. But let's just say you want to go with, I'm just trying to navigate back to my channel. Let's just say you were wanting to go with, spend $2,000 on traffic, which is a great number to spend if you're going to be shooting traffic at your links. This basically is, this whole system works together to basically run your entire affiliate marketing system for you. And that's what I like about this. This is one of the coolest features of it. But let me just pull open the calculator. So let's just say we throw another 2,000 in. So you're looking at $53.75. Now, with this exact setup, paying just that much, I brought in $11,000 my very first month. Okay, and I show people how to do this literally step by step on YouTube, set it up, and then start doing different marketing techniques that I'm using, but also letting the system run for you. Now, something else that I can do, which is really neat, is if you guys do set this up all the way like this, let me know, and I'll shoot over some free traffic for you guys to use, okay? Traffic is just sending people to your link for you, and I'll help you with that to give you guys a boost when you're just getting started. Now, I'm not a salesman. I'm not, you know, on here trying to push any kind of sales on people. That's not what I do. And if you guys aren't connecting with this at all, if this is something, you know, maybe a little bit out of your range, that's fine. I do have a program that I work with that is $25 to join. And that's a good starter point for people. So if you're not in this, you know, if you're not able to get started, don't think that you should just shut the door on this opportunity, because the knowledge that you're going to gain from the training that I have to offer is just excellent. But that's what I want to talk about today. That's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys the rundown, show you what I'm earning right now. You can go check the other videos that I had throughout the year, or the last 7 or 8 months. I've gone through, what, 7 months? The last 7 months I've gone through and shown people, you know, these different platforms that I'm using with different, you know, showing you can see over time what I'm making with them, so that you have a good idea of what is, you know, what your potential could be when you're getting started. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you have my number on the bottom of the screen. You can always text me on that. But happy that you guys are here watching the video. I have a ton of really cool stuff coming out this year. This is just one of the videos that I wanted to start with to show everybody where I'm at now, and where you guys, you know, the best setup that I use myself currently. So you guys take a look at that. I'll leave a link for it in the video description. Make sure that if you got anything out of this video or you appreciate it, leave me a like on the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can go subscribe to my other YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a link to that, the training channel, if you guys want to learn. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.